use of this and that. This is used for an object which is near. That is used for an object which is far. This is a cap. That is a car. This is a hut. That is a sun. This is a cat. That is a pig. This is a bag. That is a map. This is a book. That is a fan. Now we will see when to use these and those. These is used for objects which are near. Those is used for objects which are far. This is a pen. These are pens. That is a web. Those are webs. This is a cap. These are caps. That is a hut. Those are huts. This is a box. These are boxes. These are bugs. Those are buds. Thank you.